Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to equip multiple hairs on Roblox. First of all, you have to open browser and just go to roblox.com. So it will take you to the login page first. Just log in with your ID. After that, it will take you to this home page and you have to click on this menu button over here and click on this avatar editor. So if you are on mobile or PC or iPad, you have to enable the desktop mode. But if you're on PC, you don't need to do anything. Just need to go to head and body and go to here. And if you don't know how to enable desktop mode, you can watch my older videos. I can give you a link of those videos. So now you just need to click on this here, and here you can see that I have 4 here, but if I trying to select multiple here, it doesn't work. But if you want to equip multiple here, guys, multiple here, then what you have to do is, let me go back to here. What you have to do is you have to right click on new here and just copy the link address that you want to wear and just open a new tab and paste your link address over here. And from the URL you have to copy the asset ID, which is the number, and just copy this whatever the asset ID, copy, and just go back to avatar editor and just click on this advanced uh, link over here and paste your asset ID in the blank asset ID and just click on save button over here and click on save again, and boom, you both here will be selected. You can see both here has been equal. So if you want to select multiple hairs, so this trick only works for 2 hair. If you want to wear 2 hairs, it is fine, you can use this trick. But if you want to select multiple hairs, so this trick won't work. So what you have to do, you have to open a new tab and just search for this keyword, BT Roblox. Just search for this and just install this extension, which allow you to select multiple items. Right now this item is inactive, so you just need to add this extension to your browser. And once you add it, just make sure it is enabled in the background. So just enable it if you have disabled it by default or by mistake, and just go back to avatar page again and refresh your page. And here now if we have to go back to here, head and body, in here, and if I am trying to select multiple here, you just need to click or click on the new hairs. It will be selected automatically. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to use asset ID or etc. Just select as many hair you want and you will be able to do that. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.